US is in trouble within and outside. It is only 3 months after the killing of George Floyd, who was killed by white policeman once he was screaming that I can't breathe. Now, on 24th of August this year, Jacob Black, he was 29 years old. He was fired with 7 shots again by white policemen while his children were inside the car, and Jacob Black was trying to get into the vehicle. Now the family of Jacob Black and his lawyer Ben Crump have explained that it will be a miracle if Jacob Black is able to walk on his feet because his kidneys, his arm, and especially his spinal cord has been damaged. Because of this incident, the black people of America have decided to go against the management and demand again for police reforms. Curfew has been imposed in the city where this incident happened, but there are many shops, there are many vehicles which have been damaged and put on fire. So this is what is happening inside US, whereas outside again there are bad news. There was a deal between UAE and America on sale purchase of F-35. UAE probably thought that after recognition of Israel, they would be able to buy these latest aircrafts, fighter jets from America. And America is also willing to sell these aircrafts to UAE. But Israel has come in and they have very clearly told both the parties that they did not like this sale. And in turn, the recognition of Israel by UAE is again at stake. Whereas many things happening in other world parts are also alarming for US. Only a day before, against repeated warnings by China, the US planes were found in South China Sea. After giving them warnings, China was compelled to fire anti-ballistic missiles, which is a very dangerous warning for them, meaning by that if they repeat, they will get these shots on them, and this may trigger the third world war. Therefore, Trump administration is alarmed with the situation within country and things happening outside the country.